Hi everybody, this is Vijay Vardarajan. So today I'm doing a different kind of an upma. We have a lot of upmas in this cuisine, and one of them that I'm going to do today is with beaten rice, thick beaten rice, not thin. So you need to buy the thick variety, not the thin flaky one. We wash it, we soak it, and then it's already almost soft. So then we add it with spices. Today I'm going to be adding roasted pepper and cumin seed, and I'm going to crush it with curry leaf and then get it back and show you. My general advice for all my videos would be, do go to the description box below because the details of all the measurements are given there. Follow that when you watch me because I don't talk about the exact measurements. Okay, so please do that for this recipe. To this pan, I will add a little oil and roast this. I would like to lessen the amount of black pepper because that can really be spicy. So I will add less of that and more of cumin seeds. You can even roast it without oil, it's your option. And once I roast it, I will add a little curry leaves to it and crush them all together. With salt, I will crush and then add it to the rice. Now this one doesn't need a seasoning of mustard. I will just add a little ghee to this, to the beaten rice, and then add this spice to it. This seems to be roasted. So to this, I will add a little of this curry leaves and crush it all together. And of course, I will add a little salt and then take it to the mortar and pestle and crush it. இதை நன்னா கொஞ்சம் வறுத்து எண்ணெய் போடலாம் எண்ணெய் போட வேண்டாம் அது உங்களோட இஷ்டம். இதை கொஞ்சம் வறுத்து உப்பு போட்டு கருவேப்பிலை போட்டு கொரன்னு அரைச்சி கொண்டு அந்த ஊற வச்ச அவல்ல கலந்து அதை அடுப்பில் வச்சு கலரி எடுத்துடணும். Now I have crushed it very roughly, coarsely, and I brought it with a little bit of curry leaf to it. Salt has been added. So this need not have hing powder. You can add a little bit, a pinch of it, or you don't need to add. So this will go without hing powder. Let me use a little ghee for this, homemade ghee. And I will be very careful to gently stir it up because I don't want it to break. It becomes very soft when you soak it like this. This, if you can see, is the raw one. I have washed it and soaked it with the minimum amount of water, and it becomes soft like this, like almost like cooked rice. So to this, I will add a little curry leaf now and a little later. This gives a nice flavor if you stir this curry leaf in ghee. இது நெய்யில கொஞ்சம் வறுத்தா அந்த curry leaves ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். இது ஊற வச்சிருக்கேன், ரொம்ப ஜாகிரதையா அதை திருப்பி விடணும் உடையாம. Turn it very gently and this to this. I'm going to see the salt content and then add the rest of it. The aroma is already rising. The fragrance is incredible. வாசனை அப்படியே தூக்குறது. அதுவும் இந்த நெய்யோட அந்த கருவேப்பிலையை வறுத்து போட்டா அந்த வாசனையே தனி. So actually, this is over. A tasty beaten rice crumble which we call aval upma. For this particular dish, we call it samba aval. இந்த சம்பா அவல் ஆயிடுத்து. இது ரொம்ப டேஸ்டியாக இருக்கும். நீங்கள் உப்பு கொஞ்சம் ஜாஸ்தியாக தோணித்துனா உங்களுக்கு இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் அவலை கலந்துருங்கோ, ஊற வச்ச அவலை. இல்லைன்னா இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஜீரம் உடச்சி போட்டு கலந்துருங்கோ, ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கும். And this one is a very, very tasty one. It's so flavorful, so full of that roasted pepper and jeera. And when you mix it with this beaten rice and half, it's like so heavenly to taste. So you must try it at home. It's so easy, super easy to make. It is just so uncomplicated. Most of these dishes are uncomplicated but tasty and extremely healthy. இந்த நல்ல சுவையான ஒரு அவல் உப்புமா பண்ணுங்க வீட்டில், உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும், ரொம்ப ஈஸி பண்ணுறதுக்கு. This is a series of the many upmas that I'm going to be posting. I already posted one, but I'll be posting a few more, and along with that I'll be posting this and another one with beaten rice. So you will have an idea about the amount of upmas or the crumbles that we do in this cuisine. Do subscribe to my channel, like and view all my videos. Pass it on to all your friends on WhatsApp so they can carry it forward to their friends or to their family, and this cuisine can move forward with your help. So till we meet again the next time with another lovely recipe, this is Vijay Varadarajan signing off. Bye.